right, just a few more twists there. All right, turn there. Hey there, my friends. How you doing? It's me, Handyman Hal. You're doing great today. Just hanging a sign for my friends using my screwdriver. That's awesome. Get that in there. All right. Let's hang this sign up. Oh, yep. All the way up here. Oh, yeah. Just like that right there. Nice and snug. Oh, that's awesome. We're at my friend's Gilbert's. It's an ice cream shop here at Pawleys Island, South Carolina. Pretty awesome. Old Handyman's got a plan. Let's find out how ice cream is made. That's gonna be awesome. Come on, let's go.
How's a handyman? A handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh wow, my friends, this is gonna be totally awesome. Check this out. This is their order window. And check out these boards. This is where you come and choose what flavor you want. Look at them. We've got vanilla. Ooh, that's Handyman Hal's favorite. We got chocolate. We got strawberry. We even got cotton candy. Who likes cotton candy? Oh yeah. Check out all of these toppings. There's so many. We got cookies and sprinkles and marshmallows and chunks of brownies. Oh, I can't wait to find out how to make this ice cream. Come on. Let's see if anybody's here. Oh yeah, here we go. Hey, Miss Angela, how are you?
Good.
This is Miss Angela. She's the owner of Gilbert's Ice Cream Shop. So we can go make some ice cream, right?
Come on, let's make some ice cream.
Let's go. All right, my friends, come on back. Oh, check this out. We got some cows. What's the cow say? Moo. Come on, let's go back. Let's go. Check out all these refrigerators. Oh, we've got, that's where they keep the ice cream. Oh, so much in there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And they got more right here. Oh, check this out. So much ice cream. Well, we're looking for the ice cream machine. Let's go. Check it out. This is awesome. This is called a batch freezer. And this is where the ice cream is made. Well, we got to turn it on first, right? Big, huge switch up here. Oh, there it goes. All right, let's get this batch freezer ready to make some ice cream, right? Look at this cool thing inside. It's big and long. That's where the ice cream goes. And this is called an auger. It spins around and around and around. And it like whips the cream inside. All right, well, let's get it set up. Let's close the door. All right, there we go. Just like that. That's pretty awesome. And then we got to tighten it up so no ice cream gets out. We got one right there. We got to twist and make it really, really snug. Oh yeah, there's one. There's two. Oh yeah. There we go. Get it in there nice and snug. Number three. Get it on there. A couple of twists and turns. Well, I can get it on there. There we go. All right. There we go. Oh, nice and snug on that side. And one more right here. That's number four. Got to make sure that ice cream don't come out when it's turning, right? Oh yeah. Got it on there, nice and snug. Tighten them up. Well, we're ready to go. So we got to have something to go inside. So come on. In this really cool refrigerator, this is where it all starts. Check this out. We got all this. It's what's called cream. Yeah. So let's get it inside the machine. You ready? All right, let's see if I can balance this. Get in there without spilling it, right? Nobody likes spilled ice cream. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, nice and easy. Oh wow, this is gonna taste so good. I wonder what your favorite ice cream flavor is. Oh yeah. Almost, 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 almost. Ah. And there it is. Couple little drops left. Gotta get all the ice cream we can get, right? There we go. All set, ready to go. We got one last final thing to put in there. We gotta have vanilla, because we're gonna make vanilla ice cream. It's one of Handyman Hal's favorites. All right, so we pour that in the top, just like that. Oh yeah. There we go. Now, we just gotta hit the button to make it start. So we'll hit that one, and we'll hit the start button. spinning in there now. The auger's spinning and it's whipping the cream. So we're gonna have some ice cream soon. Just gotta turn on the cold button there. We're ready to go. That's awesome. Oh, wow. Check this out. This is what's gonna go in our ice cream. Oh, we got a pile of cookie crumbles. Check that out. It's so good I can eat right now. Oh, yeah. And then we've got these two things. Two of Handyman Hal's favorite colors. We got orange and blue. It's marshmallow. How cool is this gonna be? That's totally awesome. But oh man, we got a little bit of cream left in there. Like I said, we can't waste ice cream. So I gotta use my spatula. Let's get it all out and get it in the machine really, really quick. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's see here. A little bit more. Oh yeah. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Gonna get every last drop. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. This is gonna be totally awesome. Oh, did you know there's so many ways that you can have ice cream? You know, you can have it in a bowl, or even in a cone, or even in a waffle cone. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make waffle cones. How cool is that? All right, so, well, we got 2 waffle irons right here. Now remember, you gotta have a burner, because these are really, really hot, okay? You don't wanna burn yourself, all right? So, we got some waffle mix here. All we do is we're gonna squeeze a little bit on there, just like that right there. All right, yep, and we're gonna close it. And we're gonna set its timer. Yep, we're gonna do it here too. Squeeze a little bit on there. Oh yeah. There we go. Close her up. And set the timer. And then we just wait. Have a little bit of fun while we wait too. Woo! All right, we only got 10 more seconds left. Oh, this is almost done. Let's see if we can count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. Oh, let's lift it open. Check it out, check it out. Get that off of there real quick like. And get this waffle roller here. Just get it in there. Oh, twist it really quick. Oh, and there's that one. Sit it right there. And then we got the second one to get. Here we go. Ah, there it is. Take that one off real quick. Yep, get it in there. Oh, there it is. Twist it and hold it there. Oh, check it out. If we can get it out of there. There it is. Oh, we made a waffle cone. That's totally awesome. Now we can just put some ice cream in it. We got a waffle bowl here. How cool is that? And we got 3 ice creams. We got chocolate. Oh yeah. We got strawberry. And we got vanilla. This is one of my favorites. Oh, what's your favorite ice cream? Well, right now we're gonna top this off with some really cool stuff. We got some cookie dough. You like cookie dough? Oh yeah. So let's put a few of those on here. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go with 6. How about that? Oh yeah. We got that. And we got some brownies. Oh yeah. Those are good. A couple of those on there. Oh yeah. This is looking good already. Do you like brownies? Have you ever put a brownie on your ice cream before? Oh yeah. But see, that's the cool thing. You can put whatever you want on top of it, right? Let's see what else we got in here. Oh yes. Who likes sprinkles? I know I do. Oh, let's get some sprinkles on there. We got all kinds of color sprinkles in there. Yeah, that's cool. Does it look good yet? I think so. All right, what else we got in here? Let's see. Oh, we got chocolate chips. I like chocolate chips. We can put that on there. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, that looks so good, right? Well, we got a few more things. How about some whipped cream? Oh yeah, check out this cool thing. Are we ready? Let's do it. Oh, wow. Get some whipped cream on there. Oh, yep. How about some hot fudge? Everybody loves hot fudge. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks totally awesome. Can't wait to eat all of this. Oh yeah, there we go. Does that look good? Well, of course you gotta have one last thing. You gotta have a cherry on top, right? There we are. Check out all those cherries. Why not? Let's put 2 on top. Yeah! Don't that look so good? Well, let's get a spoon and let's taste this real quick. It is all set and ready to go. So let's taste it. See what it tastes like. Oh, yep. Get some stuff in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, Handyman Hal knows how to make some ice cream now. That's awesome. Oh, deal. So, check this out. Miss Angela, ice cream's great. Awesome. But I hear that you can stack 4 ice cream scoops up high.
I can.
In one cone. How about we try and break that record and see if we can go to 5? You ready? Let's do this. Oh, let's see. Oh, she's going for the first one there. There she goes. Oh, that's got caramel in it, some vanilla. And we have number 1. Go for number 2. Got some vanilla. Oh yeah. And we got stack number 2. There it is. Oh yeah, check that out. She's getting there, she's getting there. Now she's going for chocolate. Check it out. And stack number 3. Oh, it's getting tall. It's getting really tall, that's awesome. Oh, she's going for strawberry. Oh yeah, strawberry's really, really good.
Number 4.
Oh, that's number 4. 1 more and she breaks her record. Oh, let's see what we're gonna go for. Ooh, cotton candy. I love cotton candy.
Number 5.
Oh, look, it's number 5. That is totally awesome. Check that out. She got 5 scoops on 1 ice cream cone. Well, I guess it's about time our ice cream's done, so let's check our ice cream out, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, my friends. I think our ice cream's ready to go. So we got all our toppings ready to go. We got our orange marshmallow, our blue marshmallow, our cookie crumbles, and we're gonna make Handyman Hal cookie crumble. Isn't that awesome? All right, so first thing we gotta do, we got our bucket that it's gonna go in. We're gonna put a little bit of cookie crumbles down in the bottom there. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, yep, there we go. All right, here we go. We lift this lever. Hopefully I can do this. Let's find out. There we go. Oh, check it out. Oh, yeah. There we go. Got one in there? How about some orange marshmallow? Oh, yeah. Check that out. Get that in there. All right. That's one. Some blue marshmallow. Oh, there we go. Oh. Comes out quick. And how about a few more cookie crumbles? I can taste it now. This is gonna be great. Oh yeah. Look at it. Don't that look good? Oh yeah, some cookie crumbles in there. All right. Gotta get some more on top there. Here we go. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot in that one. All right. There it is. Gotta put some more marshmallows and cookies on there. You ready? Here we go. Oh yeah. Some orange. And some blue. Yep. And some cookie crumbles. There we go. Check it out. Oh yeah. Almost there. And we gotta put one more layer on top. Are you ready? Let's do it. There we go. All right, there it is, just like that. And now we just gotta take our spatula and spread it across the top. Just like that. Oh yeah, let's get the rest of it out of there. Don't wanna waste it. There we go. That's awesome. Now, let's finish this off. How about we write our name in this? Since it's Handyman Hal ice cream, let's do it. How about an H? Oh yeah. There it it is. There's an H. And there's an A. Oh yeah. And an L. That's my name. It spells Hal. We can put some orange on top of that. How about that? Yeah. There we go. Let's see. Check that out. Oh yeah. This is gonna look awesome. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, check that out. How cool is that? All we need now is some cookie crumbles, right? Let's get them on there. Oh yeah. Check that out. Yeah, almost there. Couple more cookie crumbles on there. Yeah, all right. All we need is a lid, right? So we'll slide our lid on right there. Get it all nice and snug on there. There it is. And then we just put it in the freezer. So let's put it in the freezer. Oh, check this out. We've already got it on the label. It says Handyman Hal's Cookie Crumble. Oh, this is gonna be great. So we'll just slide it right in there and freeze it. And it's gonna be ready to go soon. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Here we go now. Chocolate, vanilla, or maybe strawberry. I like them all so much that I might just eat all three. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. Rocky Road or chocolate chip, cookie dough, cookies and cream. I like them all so much that I'm gonna have to scream. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. In a sundae,
Yeah.
maybe a cone,
Cookie.
or on a stick, what a treat.
Hooray.
Say it all with me now, that ice cream can't be beat. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right. Yeah, ice cream, it tastes so good. I'd like some ice cream if I could, because ice cream tastes so good. That's right.
Hooray.
Wow, my friends, we had so much fun today making ice cream. We made Handyman Hal Cookie Crumble. That's totally awesome. Well, if you want to see more of my shows, just go search for Handyman Hal. I gotta go scoop some ice cream. We'll see you later. And a big thank you to Gilbert's Ice Cream in Pawleys Island, South Carolina. Thanks for watching Handyman Hal.
How's a handyman that's got a plan?